gonna move the car.
Huh?
You're gonna move the car. I'm gonna walk down here and see what's going on. Taking a quick break from snow shoveling. See what happened down here. Now this is as far as we've gotten. Whoa. Still snowing too. This is crazy. I'm saying it's still snowing.
Yeah, that kind of awesome.
I know. That's so cool.
More than cool.
Oh!
You okay?
Oh! I'm fine. Not really, but I'm fine. I'll get up. I ripped my jacket.
Okay.
Ah.
Let's get up. Dude.
I'm fine.
Okay.
I can walk myself.
Where's your jack track?
I don't know.
They're hanging.
Yeah, they're hanging up. I'm fine.
Go put them on.
Oh. I'm gonna do more than just go put them on.